Want to quickly turn on or off the climate control in your Tesla? It's all done through the central touchscreen. Look for the fan or thermometer icon at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this opens the climate menu. From there, you can quickly set your desired temperature. Or tap the AC button to toggle air conditioning on or off. To turn the system off completely, simply set the temperature to off or exit the climate menu. Alternatively, use voice commands like "Hey Tesla, turn on the AC" if voice control is enabled. The Tesla Climate Control interface is divided into sections for driver and passenger settings. Each side has its own temperature slider. You'll also find controls for seat heating with up to 3 levels, steering wheel heat, and air distribution options like face, feet, and windshield. The AC button toggles air conditioning, and you can select on or off under the fan icon to control airflow. Explore these options for personalized comfort. For effortless climate management, use Tesla's Auto Mode. This feature leverages sensors to detect cabin occupancy and external temperature and humidity. The system uses occupancy sensors and external temperature sensors to monitor conditions. The system then automatically adjusts heating and cooling to maintain your desired temperature, optimizing for energy efficiency. According to a 2025 survey, 70% of Tesla owners use auto climate modes daily. Let Tesla's AI handle the climate for you. Tesla's mobile app gives you remote access to your car's climate system, letting you control the climate from anywhere. You can precondition the cabin temperature before entering the vehicle, which is especially helpful in extreme weather. Set schedules for automatic preconditioning, ensuring your car is comfortable exactly when you need it. Recent app updates include voice integration with Alexa and Google Home, allowing hands-free climate control. Climate control in your Tesla directly impacts battery range by drawing power from the high-voltage battery. Tesla's system is designed for energy conservation, but understanding how to optimize it can significantly extend your driving range. For example, running climate control continuously can reduce battery life. Watch how the battery percentage drops when heating the cabin in cold weather. In cold climates, preconditioning the cabin while your Tesla is plugged in is highly recommended. This warms the interior using grid power instead of battery power, minimizing drain. The heat pump in newer models like the Model Y and Cybertruck is particularly efficient, using up to 15% less battery than older systems. It transfers heat rather than generating it, providing heating and cooling with better energy conservation. These innovations, including the heat pump and preconditioning features, have led to up to 20% better climate efficiency in recent Tesla models compared to earlier versions, helping preserve your battery range for longer drives. In rare cases, the Tesla touchscreen may freeze or the climate control system may malfunction. If this occurs, first try restarting the system by turning the vehicle off and on again. In the meantime, use the mobile app to control the climate remotely as a workaround. Check Tesla forums for common issues and solutions, or contact Tesla support for assistance. Finally, software updates frequently address and resolve minor glitches. Experts praise Tesla's climate control for its intuitiveness and efficiency. Many reviewers note it's faster to toggle climate control on-off in a Tesla than in a traditional gas car. A 2025 Consumer Reports survey gave Tesla's climate control a 4.55 rating for usability, with 85% of owners preferring the touchscreen interface over traditional dials. Tesla's innovations have influenced 40% of global EV manufacturers to adopt similar touchscreen systems.